Welcome to day 2 of our 30-day PC building guide.
We talk about the types of PCs you can build. Before buying any parts, ask yourself, what are you building your PC for? Gaming. Focus on a powerful GPU like RTX or Radeon. Editing or rendering, go for a strong multi-core CPU and at least 32 gigabytes of RAM. Streaming, a balance of CPU, RAM and GPU is key. Everyday or student use, even a budget build with integrated graphics will do. Workstation, high RAM, SSD, and powerful CPU for productivity. Once your purpose is clear, planning your build becomes 10 times easier. Tomorrow we'll decode the motherboard.